Okay, so we had bought this Pro Sport 1.5 battery maintainer and charger. It did not last. Within a week it was already gone. Didn't work. We were sending it back. Save the box, you get a full refund. And give me just a second and we'll show you the panel we're using, the Renogy panel that has done such a great job this week. Hey, just a quick video to talk about our Renogy solar panel. I'll get a better view for it for you here in just a second. But we've been gone all week and I just stopped by the boat to grab a few things. And hey guys, this is our Wanderer solar controller. We have our Renogy panel on the top of the boat over the hatch. I just wanted to real quick show you what an amazing job it did this week. Of course, the weather this week was beautiful, so it has been doing a great job just holding on and charging everything. I came on the boat today. That is a beautiful thing. So let me step out here real quick and just let you see the solar panel. Alright guys, there is our Renogy panel. Let me get over here and you can see it's not big. It's literally the size of our hatch on the top of the Tanzer, and it is what I was bragging about before. Just did a great job this week keeping everything charged.